ठीक है, समझो इस चीज को. The same lips that praise you today will curse you when the wind changes. You know what? You are still a slave. Listen properly. You are still a slave if you get pleased by praises and disappointed by curses. You are in a prison of other people's opinions. Your actions, your mood, everything is depending upon how they are talking about you. If they'll say good about you, you will get more encouraged, you will do more hard work, and you will be more happy. And if they will say bad about you, you will get demotivated and you will stop your work, whatever you are doing. That's the way you are trapped in that prison. Ki, okay, if they will compliment me, if they will say good about me, I will do it, or else if they will say bad about me, I will leave it. If they are feeling good, then I will do it. If they are not feeling good, then I will not do it. That is called you are being trapped in this prison of other people's opinions. Like seriously, just take a little time and try to understand this thing, that if they will compliment you, if they will say that okay, you are doing great, you are doing nice, then you will actually get happy about that thing, and you will be like, okay, they are complimenting me, that's why, that means I'm doing good. And you never know why they are complimenting you. Maybe because they are getting benefited by it, that's why they are complimenting you. Why are you thinking that their compliments are real? Why are you thinking that their compliments are actually genuine? Why are you thinking that? And depending upon their compliments, their opinions, you are taking actions. It makes no sense. And tomorrow these people, only if they will stop getting the benefit that they were actually getting by complimenting you, by giving their good opinions on you, if they will stop getting that benefits, then they will start cursing you. And if they will start cursing you, you will get demotivated. You will think that okay, I am only doing wrong somewhere. That's the point where you are trapped in this prison, that your actions, your whatever you want to do, you are not doing it by your own will. It is all depending upon their opinions. Ki if they will like, I will do. If they will not like, I will not do. If they are saying yes, then only it is correct. If they are saying no, that means it's not correct. What is this? You are being trapped in this prison. This is only called being trapped in other people's opinions. And the same lips that are praising you today will curse you when the wind changes. When they will stop getting benefits, at that time they will stop it. Maybe by complimenting you, by telling you good things, they are getting some or the other benefit from you. That is why they are doing that. And when they will stop getting that benefits, they will start cursing you. They will say that Arey, ye insaan to aise hi tha. They will forget each and every good thing about you at that time. And you know what? You are that the second line which I said, that was, you are still a slave if you get pleased by praises and disappointed by curses. You are a slave. Why you are a slave? Because if they are complimenting you, you are getting pleased by it. You are becoming very happy. You are thinking that okay, I am actually doing something great. And if they are saying something bad about you, if they are cursing you, if they are saying something bad about you, you are getting disappointed by it. That means you are a slave. You are working according to what they are saying. If they are saying good, you are doing. If they are saying bad, you are not doing. You are stopping your work just because they are not liking it. Isn't that called slavery? You are doing something that person is commanding. They are not giving direct commands, but they are actually commanding you. They are actually giving you orders and commands. It's their choice to give, but it's also your choice whether you want to take that command or you don't want to take it. You can actually choose to literally ignore those compliments or those curses. You can literally just ignore them. Okay, theek hai, fine. If they're saying good, fine. If they're saying bad, fine. That's fine. The only praise that you should appreciate and you should take to yourself, the only curse or praise, whatever it is, you should take to yourself is what is given by yourself to yourself. What is given to you by yourself. That's the only time where you need to take all this seriously. So yeah, at last I just want to say that the same lips that are praising you today will curse you when the wind changes. So no need to get pleased by praises or disappointed by curse. Don't become a slave in this situation. You are literally doing their slavery, and that you don't have to do. The only praise or curses you need to take seriously is what you are giving to yourself, is what is given to you by yourself. That is the only time where you need to take seriously, because at the end of the day, what people say doesn't matter at all. What you say is the only thing that matters. That's it.